I'm Darren Rock and I'm the chair of Always People First.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Richards and I'm a National Council member for Always People First.
As a People First member, we are the leading voice in Wales with a learning disability. So you say that, if we plan our own lives, you are guaranteed to save the Welsh Assembly government money. How are you going to do that?
Well, Darren, it's all about social workers being overprotective and they don't really understand us. We are the experts of our lives as we live them. We're asking the Welsh Assembly government to bring individual budgets into operation and let us plan our own lives, not the social services doing it for us. And in the long term, that's what saves money.
Wales is leading the way with training for support workers and staff, but that is not complete unless you truly understand disability. They won't do that until we teach them. So for you as a person with a learning disability and others out there, what's the free bus done for you?
Well, Darren, it's transformed our lives. It's let us become more independent, but it's all very well giving the elderly and people with disabilities the free bus passes when there are no buses in rural areas. If you live in a rural area, there won't be any buses going into town or whatever.
People with learning disabilities want the same things as you do: sex, relationships, marriage and kids. When we get the same education, support and respect as everyone else, we can do so safely and happily. Plan to support us rather than assuming we're going to fail, and everyone will be happy.
Welsh Assembly health checks save lives. It's no exaggeration to say people would have died without them, but they have to be done properly by all GPs and available to everyone. The best way is to make sure doctors see us as real people and not as patients or disabilities. Let us train them when they are at university, and we will have the best doctors in the world.
We really don't want to be a burden on the Welsh society. We want to be active and productive, with good education support at school and as adults, and if you include us when you're planning for businesses. We have a fuller lives and give back to society rather than taking. There's a danger of advocacy being lost. What is it that, for you, that self-advocacy is so important for WAG to support and keep?
Well, Darren, the Welsh Assembly government rightly so have supported self-advocacy for the last 9 years, and in those 9 years we've been able to develop and grow as individuals. So the urge is that the Welsh Assembly government does include us in their minds, in the front of their minds when they plan this.
For a lot of people, self-advocacy is a way of expressing their voice, their opinions. For certain people, there are a number of people with learning disability who cannot go to someone and say what they really want and how they want it. They can't go up to the social services and say, well, with my service, you're cutting this, you're cutting down my hours, you're doing this. I think for me that is wrong. They can't do that. Self-advocacy is key. I mean, The Assembly has supported the people with learning disabilities to speak up for themselves for about 9 years, which is an achievement. And we don't think the Welsh Government should basically stop there. I mean, we need that. Basically, we felt that it should be continued. And they should continue to help the independent of people with learning disability, you know, ensuring that we're paid to train services providers, and basically we're always to monitor and improve services. It's so important that we can make the first step to independence into our first home. We need enough social housing to ensure we can move on from the family to independence with confidence. It saves you money in the long term.
Firstly, I would like to say we are proud to be Welsh and live in the great communities, but living with a learning disability can be still hard. When you are different, people pick on you. This is a fact, and this can make our lives almost unbearable. The Welsh Assembly Government needs to make sure that we are right in the front of their minds when they write the community safety and cohesion plans for Wales.